Today we'll learn useful English slang for everyday conversations.
I'll show common slang words, their meanings, and how to use them naturally.
Let's start with simple and friendly greetings like, hey, what's up, and how's it going?
These are casual alternatives to hello and work well with friends or informal chats.
Try saying, what's up, instead of, how are you, when you greet someone casually.
You can answer with not much, all good, or same old, short and relaxed replies.
Next is gonna, which is spoken for going to in everyday speech.
Use gonna in sentences like, I'm gonna grab lunch to sound natural in casual talk.
Grab is another common slang verb meaning get or take quickly.
For example, let's grab a coffee means let's go get a coffee together.
People also say hang out to mean spending time with friends without a plan.
You might say, do you want to hang out this weekend? Friendly and informal.
Chill can mean relax or calm down, as in just chill or chill out.
It also describes a relaxed style. That cafe has a chill vibe. Use it for mood and actions.
If you make a small mistake, say my bad instead of a long apology.
My bad is quick and casual. Avoid it in formal situations like job interviews.
When something is excellent, many people say sick, awesome, or lit.
Pick the word based on age and region. Lit is very informal and trendy in youth speech.
Cool and nice are safe slang words that work across most situations.
They are polite and casual, good when you want to sound friendly without slang overload.
Buddy, pal, and mate mean friend. Choose mate for British English or Australian contexts.
Bro is common among young people, but use it carefully with people you don't know well.
Salty means annoyed or bitter about something small, often used online.
If someone is upset about a loss or insult, you might say, he's salty about that game.
Ghost as a verb means to stop replying to someone suddenly, especially in dating.
If someone stops answering messages without explanation, we say they ghosted the other person.
Hit me up or HMU invites contact later. Good for casual plans.
You can text, hit me up if you want to join to keep plans open and friendly.
Crash can mean fall asleep or stay overnight unexpectedly, like, I crashed at my friend's place.
It also means a sudden stop, as in, my laptop crashed. But context tells you which meaning fits.
Freak out describes becoming very surprised or scared, but it's casual language.
Use don't freak out to reassure someone before sharing surprising news casually.
Tea means gossip, and spill the tea asks someone to share the latest story.
These phrases are popular in informal groups and social media. Use them with friends.
Throw shade means to criticize someone subtly or insult them indirectly.
It often appears in conversations about drama. Recognize it so you know when people are jokingly mean.
Low-key means a little or quietly, while high-key means openly or strongly.
Say I'm low-key excited when you want to express mild private enthusiasm.
If you mess up, you can say, I screwed up or I messed up. Honest and direct.
Sometimes people prefer softer versions like I goofed or simply my bad.
Props means respect or credit for something well done, like props to you or big props.
It's casual praise. Use it to celebrate effort and achievements among peers.
Clap back means to reply sharply to criticism, often online or in heated chat.
Encourage careful use. Strong responses can escalate a conflict if overused.
On point or on fleek describes something done very well or looking perfect.
Some slang ages quickly. On fleek was trendy earlier, so on point is safer now.
Hangry mixes hungry and angry when hunger makes someone irritable.
You can joke, I'm hangry, let's eat, to explain short tempers caused by hunger.
Score or score big can mean succeed or get something desirable, like tickets or praise.
In casual winning moments, say, we scored, to celebrate an achievement with friends.
Remember tone, audience, and setting before choosing slang. Not all slang fits work or formal events.
A good test is, if you wouldn't use it with your manager, don't use it in a professional email.
Let's practice quick role play. Hey, what's up? Not much, you? Want to grab lunch? Sure, hit me up.
This short dialogue uses several slang expressions and shows how they fit together naturally.
Pronunciation matters. Reduce going to gonna in speech, but write going to in formal text.
Also, practice rhythm and contractions to sound natural. Link words like native speakers do.
Avoid overusing slang. Use a few words well instead of many words awkwardly.
Slang changes fast. What is trendy today may sound old tomorrow, so keep listening and learning.
Finally, always be polite and respectful. Slang should connect you to people, not offend them.
Thanks for watching. Now let's recap what we learned in this lesson.
We covered common casual greetings, verbs like grab and hang out, and contractions such as gonna.
We also learned expressive slang like sick, lit, chill, and conversational phrases like hit me up and spill the tea.
You learned about tone, context, and when to avoid slang in formal situations.
Practice these phrases with friends. Notice native speakers use them.
That's all for today. Try one new slang word with a friend and see how it feels.
See you next time on English with Altaf.